The snow is perfect today, Pico.
But we're missing one very important thing, a snowman.
You can make a snowman today with me, Pima.
And me, Pico.
It's cold outside. We need to put on winter clothes.
That sound means the magic cubbies have a surprise for us. Let's open the magic cubbies.
What do you put on your head? A warm hat or a frying pan? A warm hat.
Rolling the snowballs will make our snowball get bigger and bigger because more and more snow will stick to it.
Help us roll 3 big snowballs to make the snowman.
Use your hands to roll the snowball 3 times. 1, 2, 3. That's a good snowball.
Roll this next snowball 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Snowballs are fun to make.
Now roll this last snowball 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You made the biggest snowball we have.
Now let's put the snowballs on top of each other to make the snowman.
Uh-oh, the snowball is wobbling.
Oh no! Our biggest snowball fell off the smaller snowball. It was too big to be on top. Oh, big snowballs go on the bottom. Let's leave the biggest snowball on the ground and use your hands to help us put the smaller snowball on top of it.
Yay, that works! Help us put the smallest snowball on top now.
Oh, good. It didn't fall off either. We have a head, tummy, and bottom for our snowman.
Now let's give it a face. I have buttons we can use to give it eyes.
Let's look at its face.
One of the snowman's eyes is too big.
Let's see the buttons we have. Can you help us find the 2 matching buttons? Here they are.
We have extra buttons. Let's give him a mouth. Use your finger and put buttons on the snowman to give it a mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Aw, he's smiling and so happy now that he has a mouth. But he's missing something.
I know, he's missing a nose.
Snowmen need a nose, and carrots make great noses.
Let's give the snowman a carrot nose. Which one should we pick? This big one?
No, it's too big and heavy. It'll fall off.
The small one?
No, it's too small. We can't even see it.
This medium one?
Yes, it's just right for our snowman's nose.
Let's give our snowman 2 arms and a warm scarf for its neck.
And look, now he looks nice and cozy. You helped us every step of the way.
Great job making a snowman with us today.
Did you like this adventure? For more adventures, make sure to subscribe to Pima and Pico.